In peace, in peace. May you rest, may you rest. Never ever shoot below the net. Never ever. You a rookie, you a rookie. I'm a vet, I'm a vet. That's why I got a Glock, you got a tech. Perk south hard, and I got the brown in them. What the bomber clock, Chateau, we don't ramp in them. You know, I was racing down the highway earlier today, riding down 20. I happened to see a nigga I robbed back in the day.
I cannot go any faster.
You know what? He was happy to see me.